Hello dear all beautiful learners, welcome all again for coming here, for joining with me on chapter 6. We studied already many of the SQ from the chapter 6 and also try to connect today with the chapter 6. So hope so you will getting well and fine for understanding the topics as we studied in before. Yes, so now we will try to understand some important topics like how many red blood RBC are produced in every second? It is very important question, SQ. How many RBC produced in every second? In every second. Number 1. Number 2. Yes, which membrane covered the heart? Number 3, which valve present in between right atrium and right ventricle Number 4, contraction of heart. The contraction of heart actually in the ventricle is known as what things? Number 5, tunica external is made up of which tissue? Number 6, WBC engulfs the germs. WBC engulf the germs by spreading what things? Number 7, what is the lifespan of RBC? Yes, today's session and today's question was very important on the basis of some important topics. So here we have seen Suborno, Safiur, Rafsan, Savin. Walaikum salam everyone, and welcome to this class. How many RBC produced in every second? Very important question. It is asking for different times. In different times I have seen different types also. Cadet College, Can Public, even though in public exam. Important question. How many RBC produced in every second? It is just about 2 million every second. 2 million. You can write the 2 million. Okay. Which membrane cover the heart? Many of them. I always saw in before that the students write the pleural membrane. No. Lungs covering in the membrane is a pleural membrane they write. Confusion. Not everyone. Many of you can also be able to write the answer. So it is the pericardium. It is pericardium and chondrium you can write. Perichondrium. Pericardium or chondrium. Cardium you can write pericardium. That means the membrane just covering the heart is known as pericardium. Which valve present in between right atrium and right ventricles? There is also a confusion types of question. We can see when we see in this type of a structure in between what we actually see here when we see like that type of a structure. Right atrium and right ventricle is covering with a valve and left atrium and left ventricle covering with a valve. Valve means they can open and close to ensure the blood circulation and maintain the blood pressure. So this valve, this one is if we stand this way, this is the right, this is the left. So in case of the right, what we see, this is the tricuspid cuspid valve, and in case of the left, this is the bicuspid valve. Tricuspid and bicuspid valve. So don't have any confusion about this one. I hope so. Tricuspid in the right and bicuspid in the left. Which valve is present? If it is asking for, you will remember in the right. You will think, many of you also think, oh, this is left, this is right. No, you will think that you will stand like me and this is your right part, this is your left part. So tricuspid and bicuspid. So don't getting missing this one. The contraction of a heart, actually contraction of ventricle. Sometimes some question can asking. I think there may be the many of the answer. But contraction of the ventricle, heart ventricle, is known as the systole, and expansion is diastole. So don't get also be missing about this part. Important. These questions are of the important types. Okay, very very important. Systolic pressure, where from come it? Diastolic pressure. Then what is the systole? What is the diastole? Yesterday or yes, I have class with you in yesterday. That times I told you there the range in between the systole and diastole also counting as in between the range and on them also which one is the optimum. Yesterday we discussed about that one. So contraction of heart, especially in the ventricle, is known as systole. If it is MCQ, sometimes some option can come here and you can write also by having that one with points. But if it is no option, there will be no missing. If you miss this one, if you write any other things except systole, that will be wrong. So this is very important question also. Tunica intima, endothelial tissue. Yesterday I told you tunica intima and tunica external is made up of which tissues? Tunica external is actually made up of connective tissues. Connective tissues. Tunica external is made up of connective tissues. So don't have missing this one also with getting that proper one. So connective tissues, tunica external made up of connective tissues, and tunica intima yesterday I ensure for understanding you, endothelial tissues. Yes. Next one is also very very important, another question, that is WBC engulf the germs by spreading what things? WBC engulf the germs by spreading what things? It is also important for having understanding, that is the pseudopodia. Many of you don't know about the pseudopodia. pseudopodia. That means they can, as like as amoeba. Amoeba form the pseudopodia to movement for locomotion. Okay, Salehin also joining. Okay, fine. So what is actually going on through pseudopodia? They spreading pseudopodia to movement and catch the germ and engulfs the germ. WBC engulf the germs by spreading what things? Pseudopodia. Important. What is the lifespan of RBC? It is not only common, and it is also common for you, not only in your stage in intermediate level, in any admission test, in your any admission test like medical admission test, university admission test, all time it is wanted type of question. What is the lifespan of RBC? It is 120 days. All of them are also important, but this one is commonly asking. Okay, 120 days is the lifespan of RBC. So my dear student, look at here, the every day we learn many of the important topics on the basis of the SQ session or SQ types. I hope so you will getting well for understanding this one. How many RBC produced in every second? Every second 2 million. Which membrane covered the heart? Pericardium. Which valve present in between right atrium and right ventricle? I make you understand. Tricuspid valve, and left side, that means our right side is the tricuspid, left side is the bicuspid valve. The contraction of heart known as systole. Systole is actually contraction and expansion is the diastole. Tunica external is made up of which tissues? It is the connective tissues. WBC engulf the germs by spreading what things? Pseudopodia to catch the germs and run behind the germs. What is the lifespan of RBC? That is 120 days. It is also important. So these 7 questions almost very important as like as previous time, and every chapter we are going through understanding many of the SQ types of question for enriching our knowledge. I hope so you connecting this one properly and understood the topics today. So who are not connecting, they can insisted to join after recorded class. That's all about today, my dear student. Take care everyone, and do all the classes published in the group. Allah Hafiz.